unboxing. Welcome back.
So this is part 2. We forgot to tell you. And right
Come on,
now we're gonna
Okay, just stay. There's here. Oh, so hard. So hard.
If it's hard, then give me. There's my tape na. Wait, my tape na. Mga Pilipino.
Hold this.
Bakit ako ang servant mo? Get the good glimpse. Which one? Which one? She just put the beautiful logo on.
Okay.
Eat my brain.
Okay. I'm not telling you this.
Oh, you should. So we're gonna show you in 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
We're not showing it to you. That's just a hint. Wait, give them the first glimpse. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Give them the first glimpse. 3.
3, 2, 1.
So this is
Just gonna build it.
Wait, give me.
Just gonna build it.
Well, I'm not gonna build it.
Gonna build it.
It's a minute.
Oh my god, it's so cool. Oh, she's skating.
It doesn't even move.
Woohoo, she's skating.
So she took my thing right now.
She's skating. Nag-i-skate siya.
Oh. See, ang hirap naman yung pang ano nila. It's been 2 minutes vlog. Sorry guys.
Okay, come on. Don't be shy. I'm not gonna shy because I am so strong.
Why would we be shy if we're just gonna vlog?
Hello, Melody.
Sun.
Okay. Okay. Look at me. I am so fast. I am so fast. Look at that.
She's playing a game.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, I fall because I am so fast. Oh my god. I am so good. Woohoo. Where is that?
So it takes minutes.
Okay.
Kasi,
I am so fast.
sinira. Agi?
I'm sorry.
Ka naman mo.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hirap. It's too hard. Ang hirap. Ang hirap naman. Oh, fish. This is the second.
Wait, namimili. Ano ang una?
Ano nga ang una? Ito, na-stuck na yung middle process ko para hindi matanda ang process ko naman. Saan ba?
Hindi na.
Ay, alam ko. Ang bangad mo naman.
Yung.
Ang bangad mo.
Akin to.
Diyos ko, mahirap na siya.
Okay.
So, it fell.
Ay ko lang aja. Ito ang lalaki. Pagkabulanda. Basta kinaganda yung murnan.
I know, cha-cha-cha.
Mati. Buruk dapat.
Ay! Hirap naman ito ilagay. Kasi... Hindi mo alam. Kala ko alam. I'm cooked, guys. I'm cooked. The stand's not cooperating with me. Where's the strong stand? Particularly the wrong person.
Ako sa bunso. Naging dati kami po niya. Talo anak niya. Kaso makakuan nga pa. 3 years lang yung pag-retire. Nakapetition, nagkasada between, ay, basta lang, between 2021. Sabi ko sila, kailangan tibayan, natangan ko, nalabayadan. Hindi si kaso nalabayadan. Sumit-tubimot siguro, kung nakaburay ko lang na nakaburay, nagalapat lang mo. 4 to 6 months aburay, Agdadalawang isip ang akamit na ijeta. 3 years na retire ako. Siyempre yung araw, kasi 20 years in service is ada kita retire yung baka, ay, ano na ako dyan, siguro. Basta maawag na, tapos ang pension lang mga tuloy. Awag na lang nata, basta bayad servisyo na rin yung 20 years. So, makapaanak ako sa kapatid. Hindi, alam mo yung green card mo na sa sumbingan, sa kaswika-swika ni. Alam mo nang iba kanya, basta. Talagrigan na kato itong mikikit. Di bakit naman tanong na kung maka-seniors patagnan, ang nakaka-green ayan, citizen ka, California yan na, nadamak ko ng itong gobyerno ng Philippines. Maapitaran na yung tampasip ng green card sila, sayang na yung gobyerno ng pinakaling na yung binigyan din mo ako. Ay, bilas-bilas ka rin yung iba doon sa dalawang araw, pinagparang di ba nakita si Panja, Eric lang ang nagmina amin nung hindi ka agad, libre amin ko lang college. Sa kong delegada na Ore Sarming, libre amin. Nagmina amin. Hindi ka doon at Hawaii ka si Suga.
Keyboard. 1, 2, 3,
Grabe banget natin ang pin.
stay like this now. It has to stay like this now. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.